Omo they are blinded by her. Edwin say na o praise the ex-husband Maxwell, but they nye praise. Sure so both parties near tenase and ya agree say enya ade a ye pese ye nware bi. Na just say BBA chaso. But this particular interview was so fake. Na face so no was setting Maxwell up say wo madwene wo fom no ebe drag boy. What's up with was it me ring you know mami njai she na men koswa you are a big joke. Stop looking like a silly woman. Then the time bia woman mawu and looking like say ono na your problem no. Let me also sound this warning to all the Mcbrown fans. You guys don't know who Maxwell is.
Abusia efede twemi na ye sister na Mcbrown ekọ Omia TV any TV3 so abusia wo twetwe nkomo na nkomo twetwe nim na wo da na di se woni Maxwell aware no abusia wo se be mfie mienu ene abosome miensem ya aware no ekuye na after so be make sa confession ewie na nkomo ehya ase ewo media no so amamafo abobo ho na abusia wo mo a enimasem nim no wo ansem no ho adanse kire se nsem ya na Mcbrown ebe kaaye ede fa Maxwell ho na ase na wo krokro ne ade nyina no na eye krokro de jo na wo mo trese sene na nama sika ne nsam na busia wo trese enye sa nete ne mom na nama efa Maxwell echi ene obi fufuro ekokohia enna ema nipa ne kwa dan nsam ne ade nyina epiepiem enu nti ne nam so ama aware no eje abusia sa nsam we no enye nsam we firi ho ne mom those call celebs and afa yenya ba Sallyman so wo mo aba fire na nama Mcbrown part too much GHS ne mese so we me subscribe to no so ya no wakai say what the bell never can say no upload me to on the first person ya wo sa ebidika ke bebusia ma yenko ne yenko those call celebs ni video ni audio bi a watch say na Mcbrown any sofu pani bi na kokohia na ene edan asofo de kukuru dia ma no ye de compare Maxwell de ne be say Maxwell de be times 10 eni na ma se wo jai Maxwell a wo share da lucy bi biasa etike be ya wo mra bonti no be ka no kure wom na ma share da ma yese wo na no ba be fa Maxwell ho abusia nye ono ko a Sallyman so afaya na Mcbrown abusia me yenko tie ensam na ba ya be de atwenkom
me se ka me nam na metete a video actress Nana Mcbrown recently about ni divorce aba na ensembia okeka wo ho omo they are blinded by her. Edwin say na o praise the ex-husband Maxwell, but they nye praise. It was to set the tone for drugs for the boy and for the man. Why am I saying that? Go for the brain etra krum ha omaja aware. What I say omo announce say bia o we are no longer together. What in person chena say I be a cho so both parties near tenase and ya agree say enya ade a ye pese ye nware bi. Na just say BBA chaso. But this particular interview was so fake, uncalled for, hypocritical, and our faces so no was setting Maxwell up say wo madwene wo fom no ebe drag boy no. Why am I saying that? So what the bear majai na udi ni wo good terms mu nes wo bia konef kwan said ye yesi kase wo bia kone kwan ne dia. What's up with ebusiafo ne kra trans no bia si won pini so amuso wo mpene ana what's up with me coffee ho kra konwe aduane sa de money di. What's up with what's it me ring you know mami njai she na men koswa you are a big joke. Stop looking like a silly woman, because such things you know and we look silly. What can someone divorce? What can say a friend say more cordial relationship because of abofra noa or dear mawono? Aka it ends there. enti ade a wo ka ye na se boy ni woni chocho mucho a ye nim so chocho mucho she confusion a wo set wo mu o se ye tena he se nyina ya tete se abrante ani date se wa meboa now they just imagine say an ex-wife oh me best your crab and aduane o max your cry say me ring ni mami ni o na ya na me tira wa me mfa nsha kakro na abusiafo ni se wo mo mpna si o that ye betimi asawari biemo. What are you telling the lady or the no? That's absolute disrespect. Na so person course say that's why do se wana anadie ye bisa wo no oh me the max was say they finally ye divorce na ye dey abam na nsemu akika wo hu wache die why we say we all get that with magazine, we all get it. But stop making Maxwell look like the corporate here. That's the word, right? Obina, one corporate.
But also wabre.
He's the victim.
No, also wabrentino.
Maxwell is the victim.
No, Oban is wabre.
And I make sure say, who say, asema no kasa ni nyinara no. No asa kasa say, they said they okay. Edu baby ni mabre. Se oba kasa wabre wa mu a. How does it make the man look? No, Ajimai, tell me. Say, meeting away, ma ware. Na me ko grant interview. Na me kasa say. Edu baby no. In my bro. No my. How am I making you look? Exactly.
So who is insinuating?
Exactly. No. But William, so what's now?
Are you using me as an example?
Yes, me use you as an example. Me use you as an example. Analogy. ABM. Analogy BM. I didn't know. And I miss some analogy review. Analogy. Oh my God. What you say? It is a really and truly.
Yeah.
It was so uncalled for. It was so fake. So bad job catch say, oh, me funny ni problem biara. Now so hey, na do at a point no ma she say, no ma bre. How is Maxwell looking?
Okay,
thank you. Go. And thank you, Mama Nkasa. How is Maxwell looking?
She's your sister, man.
She is my sister, but my sister ne kasa no public mu. That's why I'm correcting her in public. I don't attend bia woman mawu and looking like say ono na your problem no. Why? You claim you love him, but why do you always make him look like he's a victim when in actual sense he isn't? And you they said the kasa koi. Na Maxwell no so what in person mention na say. Wo jai da dilumba ye. No decide say. On so bet the Ajimai and now any other person bet na siswa grant interviewer. Would you like it? Do you think say if Maxwell speaks the way that you speak, you will like it? Ade Maxwell onye obiba. Bema ba ko no penetrate on why celebrity. Bema ba ko be why celebrity ba ko. Every day ana cho. Ye painting say chese wono de. Ni so bema de chese under the nika. Ontumi keep no under the nika. Now comment section na sia. People are dragging. Oh, undeserving. No, you don't have to be talking about hey that boy that's so undeserving na ko ware no. No. And undeserving.
Mcbrown.
Me say.
Other people.
Because when they do on the boy na to ekofo office on betu kasa no.
She never said say undeserving.
No, the me che say senka wo ba ye no. An wan kasa wa bre. Wo kasa oh finally me ni Maxwell onyankopon ebie kwan amasese no. What in person mention na say bibia akọ was me boy ma mercy di na say bibia akọ awieye it is say me ni nyina no ye quarantine ye co-parent baby Maxina na ye dey Let me also sound this warning to all the Mcbrown fans. You guys don't know who Maxwell is. Stop projecting the boy say when you broke ass person Mcbrown cry the channel. Because comment that's in who sir. Maxwell is richer than Nanama Mcbrown. Let us put it out there for people to know. Nanama Mcbrown only richer than Nikunu Maxwell. It is a picture now you painting it out there say as if say Maxwell is a leech. As if say Maxwell a bema or bankwa on baby. People should stop. If it's a bema no, say we who or ya. Say we who or ya. And come on tell us say Maxwell. Nanama Mcbrown did Maxwell a favor by marrying him. Kabuba realizes say it was rather Maxwell that did Nanama Mcbrown a favor by marrying her.
Thank you. Councillor George Lutrots, Efri America Maimu, Ababedru Ghana Maimu. Na okosha America na wotwe ne bosume kakrani. Nyamiadom afro masa hoden e de na kwaba somdwem.
Eti se ne nsam no esiko eno na yakwakuti e de aban mesre se ubeja wadwentre e wo comment section ho e de amame all the social media handles no e too much gh or subscribe no like no share na people so e bi ahwe that gold enemy day.